Welcome back to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. And today's video I will teach you guys how you guys can add page number on your Canva. So I'm going to be straight with you. There is like no feature which you can just click to automatically add page number on Canva. You need to do it individually or manually for every single individual page. And I will show you how you guys can do that. And before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. So first you want to click on add page to add page, and you can add however much page you want. And at the top it's going to display the page number, but at the bottom it's not, alright? So in order for the page number to be displayed over here, you need to make it yourself. How? Well, basically at first you want to go on the elements section, and at the search over here you want to search for shapes. And after you search for shapes, you want to choose which shape you want. I want my page number to be shaped inside a triangle, so I'm going to choose a triangle. You can change the color over here at the top. I'm going to go for yellow. Then what you want to do is drag it over here in the bottom, because your page number is always going to be here, but you can also position it at the top or at this side, but I'm just going to go for here. After you paste the design, what you want to do is press T on your keyboard and a little text box will be added over here. You can also zoom this text by clicking on this little circle right beside the text and dragging and enlarging it like this. And then over here you can write the page number. So this is going to be my page number 1, so I will write 1. Once you add your number over here, what you can do is just click on this and drag it on top of this little box, and just like this you just have your page number. And like this, you have to do it individually for every single page you have. Now, that's the only way you guys can add page number in Canva, because they don't have a setting through which it's going to be added automatically on every page. So that's it for today's video. Hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time.